First bites on menu.
Fried takoyaki. Woohoo! Nice. Itadakimasu. Let's have some rich bonito. Wala pa yung fried chicken na in-order and yung eggs ni Ate Mara. Is this...
That's chili dough.
Siyempre, kinakain ako. Ayan. Itadakimasu. Ooh, shucks. Wow. Woohoo! Yum. Oh, there it is. Arigatou gozaimasu. Pakita natin yung egg and yung fried chicken. Mainit. Init. Sarap. 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 Medyo umaano yung nagra-run yung nose ko. Good. Nagra-run yung nose ko sa ano yan? Ano yung tawag dun?
Suop.
Oo. Nagsusuop.
Ano to?
There's the meat. Right here. Fried chicken. Musok-usok pa. Ang init. No problem. Green banana. Smoothie? Yeah, I think so. Ating kapatid.
You know it as always. First bites on menu.
With caramel sauce. Caramel sauce with vanilla ice cream. Last taste.
Recommended.
Kare. Oh, nice.
First bite of cake.
Can never go wrong with curry and katsu. Wow, potion. Parang siyang potion. Oh, sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Razzle dazzle. Yeah. First time trying xiaolongbao. Yun, ayan. And then, chicken soup. And then, I made... mainit ah. fried rice. Buti lang ha. Chinese food in Japan. Gusto ko na yung first meal tayo sa Japan. Hindi sa Mega Mall. Sarap ka.
One more rice.
Oh. I'm not a big fan of Chinese food. Really? But this checks out. Chocolate.
What about
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. Dark na. Dark.
Sa Pilipinas hindi.
First din typhoon in Japan is a yes. It's a yes for me. Table number 17 right here.
That's how the screen looks like.
Oh my God! Itong aking mga... So, ate likes to eat raw. I like to eat cooked.
Gosh.
Ayan na, dumating na yung mga order ni Ate Mara.
As a raw loving girl.
Yes.
It tastes like rice tea.
Oh, do you see that? Oh my... Ooh, lalaglag pa. Let's try one takoyaki. Fried takoyaki.
I like it. I like fried. I like the crunch.
Yeah. It's crispy outside, but soft still inside, right? Yung takoyaki.
Yeah.
Seared shrimp with cheese.
Ano yan yung seared?
Seared.
Spicy pala? Seared cheese and chicken.
No, seared shrimp. This is our status ngayon. Halfway almost, but Ate Mara is still ordering. Yeah. Bite? Bestie! Oh my God! Ay! Nabura na yung lipstick ko. I need to reapply my lipstick. Ganun kasarap. Tonkatsu Matsunoya. First Tonkatsu Matsunoya. Kasi nag-crave si Ate Mara. We came from Roppongi Hills. Sinearch namin yung closest Tonkatsu Matsunoya. And now we're here. Pinahirapan pa kami ng Google Maps. Gusto ko sana mag-curry ate, pero black curry ulit siya. This one is miso soup. Oh, sarap ate. That warms up the insides. So good. Let's try the crisp. So good. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Wala pa yun sa'yo? Ay, okay. Perfect. The oysters. Nice. Tomorrow's our last full day. The week flew by so fast. I want to stay for a little bit longer, but can't. Bye-bye. Robot na ako. I just ordered my food. They have takoyaki with soba. So I got that. And then now I'm just waiting for them to... Mainit daw siya. So, be here. Heading back to Ate Mara. Mainit daw. So, be careful. Bumili lang kami sa convenience store for now. So pretty here. I can't. Hindi kami makaget over ni Ate Mara. Ooh, that looks good. I don't know if it's hot. First bite, bestie. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Sarap. Sobrang sarap. What the heck? Lagi ang sarap. May ako ng octopus sa loob. Umusok-usok pa yung soba. Pwede soba. Ang bilis niya lumamig. Kanina init niya. Good. What did you get? Is this wasabi?
I can check for you.
Si wasabi
It's the
lover.
flaky thing.
Oh, the bonito flakes!
Yes.
Oh my gosh! I didn't put the bonito flakes.
Yes, the takoyaki sauce.
Igo takoyaki sauce. Korewa? Ang ganda ng background natin. Ang sarap ng takoyaki ate. It's so peaceful here. Siyempre, melon soda kasi dito lang ako nakakuha ng melon soda. For the inom tayo ng melon soda. Oh, yeah. That's good.
It's the spot.
Medyo nag-worry ako kasi parang walang spirit, walang mga bubbles. But,
Wala siyang speed.
hindi kasi diba yung spirit, yung carbonation. Huh? Carbonation. For the hangin.
I wish we had more places in Manila like this.
I know. It's...
Like in the city. I mean, I know we have beautiful provinces. We have islands.
I just want like walkable cities na may mga ganitong spots where you can stop. Talaga. Feeling ko talaga I won't be a homebody in Manila if may mga ganito tayo. More places like these, I mean. Tapos na, fried mochi. Parang nga,
Diba?
less sweet.
Less sweet. Pero ang sarap ng balance of sweet and savory.
I would have loved it if there was a crunch. Parang ang karyoka. Ang sarap. Oh my God. Tapos nakakabusog siya. I would also be, like, if I lived here, I would be a bike person. I love riding bikes.